Hey there, guys. Today we're going to be talking about Leetcode question 283, move zeros. This is part of the array module. But first, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so if you want to continue to have me upload quality content and be notified when I upload some Leetcode videos. But basically, for move zeros, we're going to take a two-pointer array, a two-pointer approach to this. So essentially, yes. So what this says is essentially we need a pointer iterating uh, through the non-zeros, and then if we do hit a zero, we have a pointer taking care of the zeros. So how we're going to do that is we're going to create our zero pointer, so 0 equals 0. Then we need to iterate through 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So for I in range, length nums, if nums I is not equal to 0. So what this does is this nums I, it's going to grab each of these values because your I is your index right now. So if you put your index inside of your, this grabs the value. So we start at 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So basically this is taking care of our non-zero element. So it's going to move on to this. But now we need to essentially swap. And this is just using the Python syntax for swapping. And then we need to increment our pointer. So I'll show you why right after I submit this code, just to make sure it works. So what this does is essentially, let me move this over. So this is our initial starting array. So for I in range, length of num, so I is not equal to 0 here, so it moves to here. But remember our 0 pointer is 0 right now. So our 0 pointer is this one. So this is not equal to 0, so we have to swap. So we're basically swapping these two elements. And then we have to increment our 0, so we erase this, and this becomes 1. And now we move on to the next one. So this is equal to 0, so we move past it with I, but this is not equal to 0. So now we basically, remember our 0 is at index 1, so this is our 0, and this is our I, so we need to swap. And then it becomes 1, 3, 0, 0, 12. And then we have to increment our 0, so our 0 becomes 2. And then we basically iterate through until we reach to 12. And then remember 0, 1, 2. Yes. So now we need to swap these two. And this is your finished product. If you like this video and it helped you understand this problem, please make sure you like and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. And thanks for tuning in.